Hi, in this video, let me show you how to make a copy using your Epson WorkForce WF-7820. This printer has two different scanners, so you can make copy with both of them. First of all, we have an automatic document feeder. If you're trying to make a copy of a large document, you're going to take your stack of paper and you're going to glide it. And if you cannot glide it, these things are moving. And depending on your size of your paper, you're going to position this accordingly. You're going to glide your paper with the printed part facing up, just like that. If you're using the scanner glass, in that case, you're going to place your paper facing down with the top part of your text towards the left side where you see this arrow. So I'm going to push the paper until it touches that corner, specifically that corner. Then you're going to close the lid. Here I'm going to press the home button and I will select copy. There's many details you can change, including your paper size. Make sure you have selected the right one. If you want to make a double-sided copy as well, this is an option. The density here, this is for the contrast. If you want a black and white copy or a color copy. You also have advanced settings in case you want to go through them. It's up to you. Most people will never touch these. And at the end, once you're ready and you want to make the copy, you're going to press this button on the lower right side. By the way, on the top here, you will be able to decide how many pages you want. And here we go. I got my black and white copy of the document. I have input on the top. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.